My name is Warwick Bowen. I'm the Director of the Australian Research Council Centre of Excellence in Quantum Biotechnology. I'm also a professor at the University of Queensland. So quantum biotechnology, it's a new term really that our centre has phrased, but the idea is to take quantum technologies to understand biology. So can we use quantum computers to better understand how molecules move and how they interact? And can we build quantum sensors to verify at a single molecule level that indeed molecules do move that way? And, and can we build quantum imaging systems to improve biomedical diagnostics? Can I build a brain imaging system that allows me to do magnetic brain imaging outside of specialized facilities and do it more precisely than we currently can, or imaging of other organs or cell imaging? So how does quantum technology impact biology? One example, which I will talk about in my presentation, and that is the example of catalysis. We use catalysis in many industrial processes, from the production of clean fuels such as green hydrogen to the production of fertilizer for agriculture. And you can see just how vitally important catalysis is from, for example, geopolitical issues that occur when you start to restrict access to the production of fertilizer. So this happened during the Ukraine war and in Sri Lanka. In both cases, fertilizer access was restricted, and this caused major turmoil. So if I take the example of fertilizer production, currently all ammonia-based fertilizer that we use on this planet is produced using the Haber-Bosch process. That process, it's a $100 billion industry, and that process involves extremely high temperatures, so temperatures of 400 to 600 Celsius and pressures of 300 to 500 atmospheres. So extremely high pressures and temperatures. And that means it's very energy intensive, it's very energy expensive. It uses 1% of world energy, this one process, and 4% of world methane. What's remarkable is that biological enzymes very happily produce ammonia in cells with very low energy at atmospheric pressure and temperature, and we don't understand why. And this is a sort of fundamental issue with catalysis, is we know that catalysts can accelerate reactions by many, 15 orders of magnitude, many orders of magnitude, and we don't understand why. The hope is that quantum technologies can give us the answer to that question, can answer why do catalysts work and how do they work? And if we can answer that question, we can engineer catalysts to reduce the energy cost of processes such as ammonia production.